So to download with Oracle Database Express Edition, you need to go to its official website. Here you can see the different links for Windows 61-bit and Linux and other. You need to install the Windows 64 version and download it. As you can see, it's downloading on my system. And after that, you need to go to that file and extract it. It is a zip file. You need to extract it, and after extraction, you need to go to that extracted folder and run that setup.exe file for the installation. As you can see, the installation is started and is preparing to install. And this is the Oracle 21C. You need to accept the terms and conditions. Click to the next after that. Then you need to keep that folder default, or you can change it as per your requirement for the installation folder. Click to the next for default. Then after that, you need to give the password. Make sure you remember this password. This is very crucial. This for all the users, sys system and the pdb admin. So make sure you remember this password. Click to the next, and now the 21C is installing on your system, and it's gonna take some time. Let me forward the video. So the process is now the is 21C Oracle Database Express Edition is installed. Click to the finish. Now you need to install Oracle SQL Developer. Go to Oracle official site or search it on Google. Then you need to select this Windows 64-bit with JDK link of that SQL Developer. Select term and conditions. Download SQL Developer. Then you need to click on that link, and it's gonna ask you for the account. If you don't have an account, create account. After creating an account, you need to again go back on that link, and you need to click on a download again. After creating your account, you can able to put your username and the password and sign in. And after signing, you are able to download that SQL Developer. So here you can see the SQL Developer is downloading on my system. So it's gonna take some time. As you can see now, it's downloaded. Right click, extract it. Now I'm extracting the same folder. So SQL Developer is not an exe file, it's just a folder. So make sure you put that folder at appropriate location so that you can easily find it. Now open that folder and you can see a SQL Developer exe file in that, and now click on that SQL Developer, and then gonna open it, gonna show you for confirmation warning, and click on that. After that, this is the SQL Developer front page. Now you need to connect both the SQL Developer with that Oracle 21C. This is the front page. You can close it. You need to go to that plus icon and create a connection between the database and the SQL Developer. So you need to click on that, and this wizard will be appear. You need to give the name of the database. So SQL database, you can select the color for the database, and then you need to it's gonna connect through the local host and the port number already mentioned. You need to give the username, as I'm gonna give the sys user, and you need to give the password that you set it at the time of the installation of Oracle 21C. As you can see, the role is default right now, but when I try to test the connection, it's gonna show me the error. So it's saying that you should be the sysdba or sys OPER. So I need to change the role for that. Please be remember this always. So I'm gonna select it sys DBA, and then now the connection is successful. Now you can connect your SQL Developer with your Oracle 21C. Thank you so much.